my style spot. Now, many of you beauty lovers have probably heard of or even tried Korean beauty skincare, and that is because it is amazing. It's like hit the markets over the last few years and it's blowing up, and there's really good reason why. And it's because you can find high quality ingredients in these skincare products for a fraction of what you're gonna pay about anywhere else. So I really love Korean beauty products. I get really excited to try them because they are effective and they work amazingly, but they're not going to break the bank. So I absolutely love that. So today I've got a couple of products, actually like a few of them, as you can see here, from a couple of brands. We have Oat-B as well as Pedatosol, I believe is how you say that. And most of these are Oat-B, as you can see here. So we're gonna open them up and see what I've got. I'm super excited about them. And I have been using them the last couple weeks. This isn't a true unboxing because I did already try these out. I opened it up so quickly when I got them, I was super excited. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you today so you can see what I've got, what I've been using and loving the last few weeks. We'll start with the Pedatosol. And this is just a colloidal oatmeal lotion. So super moisturizing. I love oatmeal products. And as you can see here, it's just a lovely skin cream. And it is super moisturizing. I've been using this like out of the shower, and it just, my skin absorbs it so nicely, and it just makes skin feel smooth and soft and super moisturized. I've absolutely loved using it. My skin is dry anyway. This has just been extremely moisturizing, and the scent is amazing. Absolutely love it. Next up, we have the Oat-B Symbiotic Soothing Return Mask. If you don't know anything about beta-glucan, which is in a lot of these products, the Oat-B products, it is amazing. It is actually a really great ingredient for penetrating skin deeper, like penetrating deeper into the skin, so you're gonna get extra moisturization. Again, really great for dry skin, but it works for any kind of skin type. If you have sensitive skin, these products work great for that as well. So this is the mask, and I've loved using this. It's amazing. So it's a sheet mask. If you haven't used a sheet mask, I mean, they look a little scary, but they are fun. So I'm gonna open it up. And you can see all the moisture on it. It is super moisturizing. Got tons of awesome ingredients packed into it. And the cool thing about this is like you don't have to rinse it off after wearing it. Rub the ingredients into your skin. So there's what it looks like. You're just gonna put it on your face like so, and wear it for about 20 minutes. And then at that time, yeah, you don't have to rinse anything off. You're just gonna rub the rest of the ingredients into your skin. You'll have a little extra I found. I rubbed on my neck, the back of my neck, my hands, and my skin just felt so super moisturized after using. It feels amazing. I have like an extra glow the next day. Just love, love, love this awesome sheet mask. Okay, so I've just washed my face, so I'm just gonna apply the Oat-B beta-glucan Soothing Return Mask. So let's try that out. So this is just a regular sheet mask. So you can see here, it's got all these moisturizing ingredients on it. And then you just apply it to the face for about 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna put that on. It's gonna look a little crazy if you haven't seen one of these before. And it sticks to the surface of the skin really well. So as you can see like that. And when I've worn these before, like I can walk around the house and do things and it just stays in place perfectly for 20 minutes. So that's nice. You don't have to just like sit down and lie down on the ground and wait for it to do its thing, but you can go about your day as well while it works its magic. So we're gonna leave that on for 20 minutes, come back, remove it, and see what my skin's doing. All right, so it's been 20 minutes, so we're gonna take the funny looking sheet mask off. Comes off super easily. And then you can just feel like all of the lovely hydration from the moisturizers in this, and you just soak it into your skin by just smoothing in, and my skin is just eating it up. It feels amazing. Yeah, so it doesn't feel greasy or heavy or anything. It just feels really soothing. And yeah, and my skin just feels super moisturized, super hydrated, super soft and supple. I love how much moisturization this mask gives to my face. It's just really amazing. It feels really good. You can see it's got like a really pretty glow as well. And just overall feels amazing. I love using this mask about once a week. You can use more often if you want. I find that works well for me. So yeah, I love it. Great mask. My skin just feels, ooh, like I've been to the spa. I love it so much. It just feels even amazing just after holding that sheet mask, just rubbing it into my skin for extra moisture. Again, my skin just soaks it right up, and it's just soothing and calming and just really amazing on skin. So next up is the symbiotic beta-glucan serum, which I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite product. Really amazing. I use this after cleansing day and night. Just a really fabulous serum. So we're gonna open it up. And there you have it. So a really great serum. Again, it has the beta-glucan, which penetrates deeply into the skin. You're gonna feel it. Super moisturizing. You can see that. It's really lightweight and the skin absorbs it really quickly, and it just feels amazing. Really great again for my dry skin. My skin soaks it up right away. Feels so good on my skin. I just get like an extra good glow from this. Absolutely love it. It has skin calming properties as well. Works great for sensitive skin, any kind of troubled skin. Plus it also has anti-aging benefits, so it's really great for fine lines and wrinkles, sunspots, anything like that. It's just gonna really revive tired skin, strengthen the skin moisture barrier, just make skin overall look and feel amazing, and of course be more youthful as well. Part of my morning routine with Oat-B, I'm gonna use the awesome beta-glucan serum. It just has a little dropper bottle like that. You don't need much, a little goes a long way. Oh my gosh, and the scent is really amazing. It smells so good, just like all of the other Oat-B products I've tried. They all have a really great scent. And it just rubs in really nicely, and my skin soaks it up so quickly, like it's already absorbed really well, but it feels really good. It feels moisturized. I have dry skin, and usually if I just use a serum and no moisturizer, it'll like feel dried out and it'll start to just like get all tight, but it doesn't with the Oat-B serum. It's really moisturizing, really hydrating, smells amazing, and my skin just feels so soft. I love how it feels after I use it. So it just feels really hydrated. It's got a really pretty glow to it as well. Just an amazing serum. It's definitely one of my favorite serums I've ever used. I love Korean beauty so much, and this serum is just really up there, really amazing. I love how much my skin really seems to love it as well too. Then we have the Oat-B Whitening Blocking UV Sunscreen SPF 50. And I actually went to Sedona this last weekend to the mountain bike festival. So I put this sunscreen and the tinted balm that I have next to major use, and I can tell you it works really great. It really protected me from the sun. But unlike a lot of other sunscreens, it's really lightweight. It's not super thick. My skin absorbs it nicely. It doesn't leave any white residue on. Just looks and feels amazing on skin, and it really protects. Really does a great job of protecting my skin. I didn't get sunburned at all. I used it a bunch on my face, my neck, my shoulders, everything that was exposed to the sun. And it just did a great job. Just a really good sunscreen. I love how lightweight it is. It has all the great properties. Again, the glucan, the beta-glucan, so it's gonna penetrate skin deeply and effectively, and it's gonna be moisturizing as well as protect the skin from the sun. All right, and spring is almost here, so I'm definitely going to use my sunscreen from Oat-B. It has SPF 50, so really great. I'm gonna use this on my face as well. And it just really glides onto my skin nicely and smoothly. And as you can see, like, it doesn't leave white behind like so many sunscreens. It just absorbs into my skin really nicely. It doesn't feel heavy either. And I don't break out from using this either, which is awesome because a lot of sunscreens can just be so thick and overpowering, and yeah, it'll lead to breakouts. But my Oat-B works amazingly. It just feels really lightweight, really smooths into my skin nicely. My skin absorbs it, and it works really well too. I tried this out, like I said, in Sedona last weekend, and my skin just, I got a little tan, but I definitely did not burn. But I was out in the sun all day, every day, and I could have been better about reapplying at least twice a day, but even just using once in the morning, it totally did its job all day long. So really powerful, really great sunscreen. Really, really love using this. So last we have the Oat-B Tinted Balm, again with the beta-glucan. So it's gonna moisturize and penetrate skin deeply. And I love this, the Tinted Balm is like the perfect color too. So I used it on my face, of course, and as you can see when I rub it in, like it matches perfectly, it absorbs, just goes really well. Again, it provides another barrier to the sun. And I love that it's even though it goes on thinly, like it provides really good thick coverage. So it's really gonna cover like acne, scars, anything like that. Sunspots, I get sunspots, especially now being out in the sun this last weekend, and it covers it really well. So really happy about that. It leaves a really beautiful matte finish. Definitely one of my favorite tinted moisturizers I've ever used, and I really love it. It's just a really great base and foundation, and just super effective, and I love it. And then my last step of my morning routine, I'm going to use my Oat-B beta-glucan's Derma Blemish Balm. So it's a tinted moisturizer. Also smells amazing, just like everything else. So I'm just gonna rub that in like a foundation. And I love that it really provides great coverage. It's got like a nice matte finish to it as well. It blends into my skin nicely. Also feels lightweight, not very heavy. So I love that, kind of like that CC cream feeling, but with more coverage, which I definitely appreciate. I'm getting older, I got some sunspots I'd like to definitely hide, some scars, so yeah, I really love how nicely it just blends into my skin and provides coverage, and it really stays all day really nicely too. I don't have to reapply, it just looks great all day. It's also very moisturizing too, just like all the Oat-B products I've been using. So again, it's that. And yeah, I love this. This is one of my favorite tinted moisturizers I've ever used because it does its job like a moisturizer, but it's also more like a base and foundation. And I don't need to put any more foundation over it. It just does perfect. So I can just apply the rest of my makeup and be on with my day. Last but not least, with my awesome care package, I got some yummies. As you can see, I already went crazy on the yogurt almonds. I opened them up and ate them right away. I'm excited to try these honey butter almonds too. So just some yummies. I mean, who doesn't want almonds? They're good for the skin, they're good for the body, they're delicious. And yeah, obviously I like them. So there you have it, my awesome products, my awesome Korean beauty products. I've really loved using the last couple weeks that I've had them. My skin has felt so moisturized and soft and supple, has a more youthful glow to it. I feel like it does a really great job hiding the sunspots, fading the sunspots, filling in the lines and wrinkles as well. Just really great products and super, super moisturizing. That's definitely my favorite thing about it. These amazing ingredients that really do moisturize skin so well, even in the dry desert with my dry skin. Like it did amazing. Even all the sun I saw, like my skin always felt soft and moisturized, not like that dry tight that you get after being out in the sun all the time, and especially if you already have dry skin and you're in a dry climate. So I've been super impressed with these awesome Korean beauty products. My skin feels amazing. I definitely am going to continue using them. Love them. The mask is so fun. Just really love what a great glow it gives my skin as well. So if you guys want to check them out, you can find these brands, the Oat-B and Pedatosol, on Amazon. So I'll have a link below. You can check it out there. Go try it out for yourself. If you haven't tried Korean beauty, do yourself a favor, try it out. I think you're going to love it. So you're going to love that it's definitely like high quality ingredients, but not as expensive as so many other products that you'll find on the market. So definitely try them out. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, which one you're excited to try. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for free weekly awesome content. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.